The HPV virus is the cause of warts, which can develop on any region of the body, including the face, feet, hands, and areas surrounding the groin. Warts are spread by skin-to-wart contact. Children typically have more of them since they touch warts more. It's crucial to keep in mind that the virus that causes warts can only be transferred from one person to another through a wound, such as a scratch or an ingrown nail. We're going to demonstrate the finest natural treatments for wart removal in today's video. 1. Castor oil combined with baking soda. Castor oil and baking soda work well together to remove bothersome warts since they are both antibacterial and antiviral. Through direct administration, it manages the illness and prevents it from affecting other body regions. Consider the following. Ingredients. 2 tablespoons castor oil. 1 tablespoon baking soda. Instructions. Castor oil and baking soda should be mixed. Then massage into the region around your warts. 30 minutes should pass before rinsing it off. Until you are healed, perform this therapy 3 times each day, every day. 2. Honey with aloe vera. Aloe vera has many advantages for the skin, but it also works wonders for warts. These little bumps can be removed thanks to its antiviral, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory properties, which also enhance the appearance of your skin. Consider the following. Ingredients. 1 spoonful of honey and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Instructions. These 2 components should be combined to create a thick paste. Apply the solution to a piece of cotton and dab it on the wart. Let it sit. 3 times a day, repeat this procedure. 3. Lemon juice and onion. Lemon and onion work together to regulate the pH of your skin. Additionally, it possesses antiviral and antibacterial qualities that help eliminate warts. Consider the following. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 3 spoonfuls of onion juice. Instructions. Utilizing a cotton swab, dab the mixture of fresh lemon juice and onion juice onto the wart. Wrap it if you'd want to let it work on the wart all night. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.